Hello all, welcome to my channel Education Art and Craft. Today I am going to tell you speech on Guru Purnima. Before beginning with the video, if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss my new video updates. Let's begin. Speech on Guru Purnima. Good morning everyone and happy Guru Purnima to all. Guru Purnima is a special day to show love and respect to our teachers. The word Guru means the one who removes darkness and brings light. This day is celebrated on the full moon day of Ashadh month. It is believed that on this day, sage Vyasa was born, who wrote the Mahabharata. Our teachers guide us, support us, and make us better human beings. Without a guru, knowledge and wisdom are incomplete. On this day, students thank their gurus with respect and gratitude. We must always follow the teachings of our gurus in life. Let us promise to respect and honor all our teachers forever. A teacher takes a hand, opens a mind, and touches a heart. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.